Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Sunny here. Today we're going to be doing a video on... What the hell is that noise? Anyways, I'm going to be doing a video on Fortnite. This is episode 4. Happy Easter to you all. If it's not Easter to you, Happy Easter. Anyways, today I'm going to be just doing a normal gameplay. And, okay. Okay, we'll do a solo then. Let's play. Let's do this. Cancel. And let's do this. I don't know what I'm doing with my life, but let's do this. Oh wow, this is gonna be a really bad video. I can tell this is gonna be an awful video. Phew, let's do an awful video. Yay. Let's do it. Let's be awful at this game. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go and I don't care. I really don't care. What is going? Okay, I'm right back. Okay, guys, we're in the battle bus now, and we're about to land out to where we're gonna go. I chose to do Loot Lake, so yeah. Should jump out just about now. Go to Loot Lake. Hopefully, nobody else goes there. That would be awful to see that other people are coming to Loot Lake as well. I'd hate that so much. That like millions of people are coming to Loot Lake, and I'm not. I'd be really angry. But we are going to Loot Lake now. As you can see, I've got the umbrella, which means I have done a victory. Yay! I finally got my first victory. It was awesome. Anyways, I'm gonna go down here. What is this? We got a minigun. A nice. Not nice. Okay, let's put this here. Oh, no. Put one there. Build a bit. Jump out. No, not that far down. That did so much. Okay, that's better. No, let's just... I thought there was a chest here. That's odd. Anyways, I'm gonna go over to this chest here, and let's see what we can find. So, we're just about to go to it, and we are just in the circle. That is sick. Okay, crossbow, perfect. And you want to use. Nice. Let's go to the house and see what we can find. First off, I'm just gonna go to the house. No messing around. To the house. Here we go. And not to do really horrible things and die. That would be awfully awful. Oh, bandages. Perfect. I would like some of these bandages. This guy over there, I'm not gonna go for him. There's a guy over there that I'm not gonna go for him. I will never go for him. Because that would be scary. Okay, why do I hear a chest? But I can't see a chest. That's just odd. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go up here. Anything like this has never happened to me. Anyways, I'm just going to, I looted the thing there, and I got some good stuff. let me just show you the thing. Let me just swap out my thing for the suppressed. I forgot to do that for some reason. I don't know why. Totally not lying here. Now loot you. Let's check if thank you. Okay. Let's so finish looting this place. Let's move out of here and not die because that would be awful. Don't need you. Anyways, that's all I have time for this small Easter episode. I know there's nothing much, but it was just a loot of the loot lake. If you wanted to, thanks for watching this boring video of Fortnite. If you did like it, which you probably didn't, go smash that like button. If you did really really not like it, smash that subscribe button. I don't know why you would do that, but maybe because it was funny seeing a boring video. And that's all I have time for, so guys, I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.